Is Nebraska the state with the most restaurants per capita? I don't know, but what I do know is this video is entirely dedicated to restaurants in Omaha. One of the things we love most about the US is their food. So when we were in Omaha for 3 days, we had to visit our favorite restaurants. Yes, I did skip breakfast a few times just to save room in my belly for these delicious foods. Number 1. LongHorn Steakhouse. Yeah, so we're at LongHorn Steakhouse, and it's one of the best restaurants in my opinion in Omaha.
It's the best bread too. It's free with every meal. So good.
I'm having the ribs because the best ribs I've ever had have been in America. I have mashed potatoes next to them. My broccoli's coming up soon.
That would be
It tastes kind of smoky, really sweet with the barbecue sauce. There's a lot of meat on it. The meat falls off so easily. It's great.
What we're having here is a sirloin steak, it's a Parmesan chicken and 2 baked sweet potatoes filled with cinnamon, sugar, and some butter. And I'm really excited about this. Delicious.
Number 2, LeadBelly. I'm here with my American friends, and they're gonna explain to me what we just ordered. I got this. It looks like nachos, but it's not. So Isaac, can you please explain this dish here?
It's sort of like nachos, but underneath all that is a burger and a cinnamon roll. Because in Nebraska, we have our chili with cinnamon rolls. So it's like chili and a burger and a cinnamon roll with chips and sauce on top.
Nice. I'm super excited. Vegard got the same thing.
Yep.
Let's test this. So there is a cinnamon bun right here.
Yeah, for sure.
While I'm trying to figure out my opinion, I can tell you now, that thing was delicious. I still think about that burger, and it's on the top of my food list for next time I visit.
You like it, Vegard?
Yep, I do.
It's good.
I love mixing salt and sugar.
Sweet, yeah.
Salt and sweet. I make some cinnamon buns with bacon in them.
That sounds amazing.
That sounds amazing.
Number 3, Spaghetti Works. This is not simply a spaghetti restaurant. It's actually amazing because when you order your spaghetti here, you get 3 refills. Not only that, you get to choose from all of these different kinds of sauces and pastas, and it includes a salad bar and garlic bread. Good, take those peas. For $9.99. This brings me to another point that American restaurants are different. They're innovative. Number 4, the Cheesecake Factory.
What are we gonna do now?
Eat cheesecake.
We're at.
Cheesecake Factory.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Which one are you gonna get?
The original. I'm about to have first American cheesecake in a year and a half almost.
Oh baby.
You forget what it tastes like after a year and a half. You remember it's really good, better than I even remembered it to be. So good, so cheesy and creamy. Number 5, Cold Stone Creamery. This is another example of an innovative restaurant.
One.
The cake batter. Or any of the other signature creations. So I used to think that Ben & Jerry's was my favorite ice cream. That was before I visited this shop. How would you top that? The difference between Ben & Jerry's and this place is that they add fresh dough to the ice cream and then they blend it all together. It has a real fresh taste to it. It takes it to a whole new level, basically. That is so good. Just the cookie dough, it tastes really fresh, and the ice cream is really soft. They just added a real brownie to this ice cream. Bonus dessert. Dessert is important, and because I like the Hy-Vee supermarket, I'm putting this in a dessert bonus. Shopping for ice cream in the US. Look at all the types of ice cream. This is only ice cream. This may not be a shocker for you Americans, but for Europeans, this is a fascinating view. Other foods at restaurants that we love, but didn't show in this video are Chick-fil-A, wings at Buffalo Wild Wings, Cracker Barrel, sugar cookies, Panda's orange chicken, Domino's bread twists, and Texas Roadhouse.